Hello everybody, this is Matador again from freetrainingvideos.com. It's 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Apple and Coca-Cola and Morgan Stanley, a couple major banks beat their earnings estimates, but Yahoo failed, and we see a pretty significant sell-off here right at the open. So it tells me that the markets are a little bit toppy. Looking at the S&P 500 ETF here on a daily chart, we already knew we were running up into resistance technically on this 50 MA, so not smart to trade long smack in the face of that without good setups. And looking at a 3-minute chart, we were brewing on one actually that looked very nice. Even had a ascending triangle breakout that we used as support just briefly before heading south. Broke the 200 MA, used that as resistance. At any rate, what we're doing right now is chopping around at the 108, 60 / 30 and 40 mark. So right through here, that's a real nice apex of an intraday symmetrical triangle right through here. So when I see things like this and I see people getting in trouble in this area, it's again smart not to trade long after a multi-bar rally into that. At least looking for a better entry a little bit earlier. When I look at the VIX, it's a gap down, ran higher, and made higher highs and higher lows, and just now it has recently started selling off again a little bit. So that's X% more bullish than it has been. I need for this to break below this swing low through here, and it would be amazing, of course, if we could get it down below 24 again, which was significant from yesterday as well, let alone the 2360 mark. So we'll be watching the VIX to see if it can continue selling off a bit. While the trend has been rising almost all day long, although bullish for a little while, a little bit of a head fake in here, into the neutral zone, and still right within the neutral zone, but making higher lows equal highs roughly. So not the best environment for confirmation. And the trend, while starting out very bearish, is sort of coming back, but still in the bearish territory, right? Just barely touching into the neutral zone. So bearish, the VIX not the best in the world, very, very choppy. And right now it makes it a little bit more difficult to want to go long or short, quite frankly, in the markets, unless it's a very short-term play. If you're already in daily charts, of course, and working on it, then you can see your higher swing low through here, which is helpful. And we'll simply look for the next logical setup or use this as a gauge of market strength for my individual stock trades. And that's the way I would approach a day like today. So good stuff. I hope it's going well for you. You have a good afternoon, and I look forward to D7's video at the close.